YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We got this little live trading video. Um, it's currently 9:27 a.m. right before market open. Um, not, I'm not gonna be looking for a 8 a.m. orb trade today, simply because if we mark this up, our zone is pretty big, sitting at 19, almost 20 points. And me personally, I don't like to trade orb trades when the zone is over 15 points simply because stop loss is bigger, and when the zone is just bigger like this, it has a lower probability chance of holding. So I'm not gonna be looking for an orb trade today. Right now, I just want to see a clean liquidity sweep at one of our levels, preferably a sweep of these highs up here, because as you can see in London session, we already moved down to the downside. So I'm looking for some retracement up to these highs, and probably gonna look for an entry for shorts. But yeah, that's all I could see. Or if we don't reach up to these highs, we eventually have to come take out some of these highs. So I can see us coming down to this level and getting a bounce, or we may just continue through this level and come take out some of these levels down here to the downside that are extremely old. So I don't think they'll hold too well, but we'll see. But really preferably want to look for a sweep of these highs for some shorts. So we're gonna see what we get, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, y'all, back with a little update. I actually didn't end up taking nothing. The market was so shit today, and which is to be expected because it is FOMC news coming out later. What time is it at? I think it's at 2 o'clock, like usual. Yes, at 2 p.m. So we got FOMC. I'm actually gonna be watching the charts during that. But yeah, man, ES, we literally chopped around for like the whole New York session, and then we around 10 we started to get moved down like we were gonna come sweep this level. We got right to this level and just reversed back up without even giving a sweep. So I'm not taking that. But somebody probably, I don't know. But in Q, we just did the opposite. We went like we were finna sweep this level up here, and just right when we got to it, reversed down. So I don't know. Market just want to be on BS before FOMC. Gold, I'm actually think I'm gonna start looking at gold more. I used to look at gold a lot, but I took a long break because I was just focusing on ES to focus on one pair. But I'm actually gonna start back looking at gold, because if we go to gold, we came down and swept this level almost perfectly. You could have took your entry right here with a 10-point stop, targeting 30. It didn't quite hit yet, but it's looking like it's gonna play out and end up getting hit. So you feel me? You could have took that sweep on gold and caught an easy 30 points. I didn't take that because I wasn't watching gold. That wasn't in my plan for today. But I'm actually gonna start watching gold more, because I be missing out on a lot of setups. So moving forward, gold and ES, those are gonna be my two pairs, or my two instruments that I'm watching. And you see, it's about to, TP is about to get hit on this. I'm so mad that I didn't take this. Like, what the hell? Like, I had these levels marked out too. Like, what the hell? But you feel me? Neither here nor there. I'm probably not going to trade that much in July anyway, so I'm probably just going to take a break until August and come back locked in, and you feel me, ready to execute. Do a little back testing over this month, because I will be going to this army school, which is called BLC. Some of y'all may know what that is, but they sent me to BLC, and that's like 3 weeks. So that's 3 weeks of trades that I'm miss. I'm not happy about that, but you feel me? We gotta do what we gotta do. It's gonna be a good break from trading, and you feel me? We'll come back locked in and run it up for the rest of Q3 and Q4. So yeah, man. No trade day. This is what a disciplined no trade day look like as a trader. You don't see any of your setups play out or any of our levels get tapped, so I don't enter the market. It's that simple. If your setup is not playing out, or if your setup is not happening, don't force a trade. Don't make up a reason to get in. Stick to your rules, stick to your system, stay disciplined, and you will be successful. But yeah, that's all for this, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this for real, but if I do, yeah, it got posted. You know, but I'm out, man. Catch y'all in August, hopefully. Hopefully I do be able to trade a little bit. I don't know, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make no videos. So yeah, I'm out.